Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I have put together a video where I've shared 3 days of me getting up super early in the morning and getting ready. I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks and little things that I remember when I'm getting up in the morning and getting ready. How do I keep myself organized? To keep myself organized, I start the night before I have to start my work week. So what I'll do is I'll lay down all the outfits that I'll be wearing during the week. I make sure that the outfits are very comfortable, they fit the dress code of my organization. I also try to, because I'm a big accessories kind of a person, so I try to put all my necklaces or my earrings or whatever kind of jewelry I'm wearing or scarves. I will try and lay them out with the outfits, so that is something that I don't have to stress about in the morning. I also, before I start my work week, have like 1 hour of time that I dedicate to laying the outfits out, getting my bag organized. Also, I try to do a little bit of meal prep so that when I wake up in the morning, I just have to grab whatever things that I need and off I go. I'm not disturbing anyone because it's super early in the morning. It is dark outside right now while I'm getting ready. My family is asleep, so I don't want to make any noises, and that is the reason I have to be super organized with how I'm going to manage this whole process. The fact that I'm organized also eliminates that stress that one might face if you don't find something, and you don't want that kind of stress in the beginning of the day, because I feel the mornings when you wake up, that just sets the tone of the whole day. And you want to have a good work day, you want to be productive, you want to actually contribute positively to not just the goals that you've set for yourself or have been set for you, but you want to contribute to a positive work environment. Because I've done that little bit of organization the night before, that means in the morning I have time to engage in practices of self-care and learning, whether it might be a quick 5-minute meditation or warming up a glass of water to drink and get my system all energized, or it might mean having a piece of fruit or having a stroll in my garden, something that just sets my day begins or starts my day at a very positive note. So I think that being organized just gives me that little bit of extra time for myself. This is my time, this is my own personal time. There is no one else who wants my attention at that point of time. I also use this time to express my gratitude to the universe about how lucky I am to have a job and to contribute to my family's well-being and welfare. This is my first outfit. I'm ready to go to work. So here we go. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hello, good morning. Day 2. Welcome to day 2. And today I'm getting ready. I've chosen this all black outfit today, and I'm wearing a black dress with black cardigan and a very colorful necklace, which adds that pop of color to my outfit. Now today I'm going to talk about the makeup that I use on a day-to-day basis. As you can see, my nail paint is very neutral in color. I try to avoid very bright, attention grabbing kind of colors, because I just want my makeup to be there because I want to look presentable, look like I've put a little bit effort into my appearance. And my makeup is not too, I don't aim for anything bright. So when I'm choosing my makeup, I have this kind of a little basket, which I'll be showing to you in a minute, which has all these items that I will be using for that week. So for example, I will choose this one eyeshadow palette and I'll put it in the basket. I will choose a few shades of lipstick that I think I will be using during the week. I'll pop that again into the basket, so I will be using that. This is just to eliminate me getting confused with a lot of choices. Like, I just want to get ready and go, but I also want to look presentable, so my makeup is just aimed towards that. It's pretty basic. It's step 1 to step 10. I know the process. It's nothing artistic, nothing complicated. So even with my brushes, like, I keep a very limited choice to what I'm using. So there'll just be a powder brush, a blush brush, 2 eyeshadow brushes, one for my eyeliner, and one sponge that I damp and use. Like, that's my favorite way to apply my foundation. So even with my lipsticks, I have this box which I use to just pop in all my daily use lipsticks, and these colors are beautiful, neutral. These are formulas that will stay the whole day, so my choice of lipstick will depend on these few factors. And I pop all of these things, the brushes, the makeup, and the lipsticks, everything into that little basket, which is ready to go on the table when I'm getting ready. So that is about day number 2, like a little bit of organization through the day, little bit of creative solutions, and you're set for the day. So this was my day 2. Welcome to day 3. I know. Oh, I couldn't do my makeup in this jacket, so I'm just gonna take this off. Today's outfit, it's simple. I do have a little bit of black going on this week. I don't know what happened. So this is what I was talking to you on day 1. I kind of used this morning time for little things. Like today I noticed there was a little bit of puffiness under my eyes, so I got my roller out and I'm kind of giving myself a gentle massage around my eyes with the roller, and just a deep puff and just to relax. So today I'm going to talk about a couple of things. The first one being my hair. So the hairstyles that I choose are aimed at keeping me comfortable during the day. They're also chosen with the fact in mind that I don't have to do them again, and they're not very overcomplicated, so my morning is not stressed out. That is not the aim of that. I have chosen to do a bun today because I feel like that just keeps my hair out of my face. I can concentrate on the work and the task that I have during the day, and it makes me look a little bit professional. So that is why I've chosen different kinds of buns during this week. But I can usually also have my hair tied like back, or do a little braid. It depends on what goes with the outfit. So the second thing I will talk about is the travel to work. Now, this is something very interesting, and I think that travel to work has, over the days become a little bit hectic, with people covering like these large distances, and sometimes the commute time is like 1 to 2 hours, or there's a lot of traffic, which adds to that morning stress. Now, I love taking the public transport to work, and usually when I'm not in a rush, I will try to do that, because that just means I can sit back and relax, and I can just witness the most, and I do witness the most beautiful sights on my way to work. Like the other day, I saw this beautiful sunrise, or I'll see these amazing birds flying in the sky, or just these things just make me happy. Like when I leave for work, it's super dark, and by the time I reach my workplace, the sun is out, there are more people. In the morning, people are smiling. It's more cheerful, it's more happy kind of environment. During my travel time, I will also, either read my book, or I will listen to some music. So yeah, I like to use that time more productively. Well, this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I am ready. I'm ready to go to work. So I'll see you next time. And today I leave you with this thought. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. I hope that you have a fantastic day and a fantastic week ahead. Until next time, goodbye.